Lingag, 18 years old, fresh graduate in Our Lady of Manawag Montessori College in a course of Associate in Information Technology and Management. My objective, to be part of a well-established company where I can contribute my knowledge and skills acquired through quality education and intensive training. My special skills in computer, literate, Microsoft Office, Visual Basic, web designing, and installing. And also, I attended a seminar, Basic Computer Networking in Baguio City and Adventure-Based Team Building Workshop in Situ Lucia, Santa Maria, Bulacan. You can reach me at my mobile 0905-7605-914 and my email address rian@yahoo.com. Thank you.